Welcome, I am Roger Kaiser, an instructor in the Collision Repair and Refinishing Department. This is part 2 of a 3-part video series in which you'll learn how to repair a plastic bumper. In the first video, we looked at how to prepare the bumper for welding and how to identify the type of plastic used in the bumper. In this video, we will explain how to repair the backside of a panel. We start by aligning the two plastic pieces, placing aluminum tape on the front side to hold the tear in place. The next step is to prepare the backside for your welding by using a small grinder to create a taper around the repair, grinding halfway through the material around the damaged area. Then we will feather edge the outer edge of the taper with 80 grit sandpaper. Now we will need to prep the reinforcement. Two commonly used methods are either fiberglass reinforcement tape or metal screen reinforcement. Trim them to the proper size and place them on the repair. Next, we will set the heat on the plastic welder to the manufacturer's recommended temperature for the material. Then we will melt in the screen or fiberglass tape into the bumper, getting it to sit slightly under the surface. Once that step is complete, we will use our airless welder, already heated to the proper temperature, to heat the back side of the black ribbon. Do so just until it starts to melt. We will then place the melted part on the top of the repair. Place the shoe on the top of the ribbon, gently rubbing it in a circular motion until it is completely melted. Once it is melted into place, you will use the shoe to cut the ribbon by simply lifting it at an angle and putting the ribbon across the hot shoe. Repeat this process until the repair is filled in and built up. Use the shoe to level it off. Now that we have covered the second step in repairing a plastic bumper, please be sure to watch part 3 in this series to complete the repair.